Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day in Borough, New Jersey, 08009. And we're in the Berlin Garden section, which is the most coveted section of all Borough. This is 34 Ridgeview Avenue, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. We're gonna walk and talk about it. This home is a 4-bed, 1.5 bath, 1,744 square foot Colonial. This is the house that you might have grown up in. It's got the beautiful front porch with the columns as standard. You walk in, there's a lot of hardwood in this house. So the living room, which is formal, has the hardwood floors, nice bank of windows here, and these were replaced at some point. You have your dining room, nice view to the backyard, and it's really nice. There's a babbling brook to the rear, which we'll show you a little bit later on in the video, but really nice space here. Put a china cabinet. You have these quartz countertops and the finished backsplash, real nice. Everything nice and neat. Stainless steel appliance package. And you have the eat-in kitchen, easily can seat 4 or 5 here. This way you have a fireplace, and you can see it's a very comfortable den as you might have remembered it from yesteryear. Got a half bath here, you got a full bath up, and we'll show you that in a little bit. Got your 1-car garage, and this would be your utility room, your washroom, washer dryer. You have a high efficiency natural gas hot water heater and a high efficiency furnace, and these are all recent upgrades to the property. You'll be able to take advantage of that coming in as the new buyer. The backyard is quite spectacular. You have this really nice, I mean, who doesn't love a screened in porch? And no bugs, no problem. You got the babbling brook to the west, hammock. You have a nice little beach feature there. Everything in really excellent shape. Just imagine spending your spring and summers out here. And let's check it out back here. Backyard is real nice. You have a lot of brick pavers here that are embedded in the ground. Nice little walkway. Cellar's got a hammock here. Little beach area. It's got the stone railroad ties. Nice little section to have your fire pit. And then to the rear, let's check this out. We got this babbling brook back here. It's not too babbling right now, but it's a nice little feature to have and really quaint. And imagine, you know, really landscaping that out, be really tremendous. Got some ferns growing there now, which is cool. Let's check out the upstairs. There's 4 beds up there. We're gonna be able to see 3 of them, and there's a full bath. So the upper bathroom, it's standard. It's got all the original elements, but kind of nice in retrospect to kind of check that out. Everything's in good shape, good solid build there. And this upstairs, we'll call this bedroom number 1. See how it's nice and large. Windows were replaced at some point, and you have, looks like you have hardwood floors all throughout the 2nd floor, which makes it really, really nice. These are the classic thin plank. Looks like it could be pine, really nice. This is bedroom number 2, big. This will be the 3rd bedroom, overlooks the backyard. Got a really nice view of everything. It's got a little fire pit back there. Green porches below us. And this would be bedroom number 4. Cellar's got some stuff in there, but you get the idea. It's more of the same hardwood floors in there. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you know anybody that wants to live in Berlin Gardens, share it with them. And if you really love the content, make sure that you subscribe. This house is located in Berlin Borough, in the nicest section, in my opinion anyway, of Berlin Borough. And guess what? There's an extra kicker with this property. The kids get to go to Eastern High School, which is known as one of the best schools anywhere in South Jersey. So if you have that 08009 address in Berlin Borough, you get that opportunity. It's 4 beds, 1.5 baths, 1,744 square feet. And the HVAC system, the furnace, and the hot water heater, the central air, that was installed circa 2020. So that's all quite new, and you get to take advantage of that. Great house, great Colonial, and you have all this expanse of land, opens up to the babbling brook, just awesome. And as always, Joe Wiessner would like to see you at the settlement table.